Can I come in? Keeping the line open. That's your name. This is Yuko. I'm a public health nurse. I'm so honored to see you. Do you know why you are here? I know you are diagnosed with diabetes. I don't know why paramedic cut your favorite old gene. Even you could walk. I don't know why, but you are here. Sorry I can't touch you, but I wish I could. Do you know this? It's called Mending Adverse Childhood Experience. It's study. Many people now become aware how important paying attention to intergenerational trauma. But many people so busy, running all over the place. I don't know how to call you, but it's okay. Which way you want me to call you? I love your title. Okay, you want me to call Keep the Line Open? That's a good title. Okay, people can listen, read, but it's so emotionally charged. So I won't do it. But at least I want to share little haiku. It's called Tree. T-R-E-E. You make a beautiful story, beautiful book, just like a bird. You can make your story. People can listen. Don't keep in you. Don't keep in you. I can see you are lots of working. Your little book is here. Keep working your tree. I made a 3 haiku for you. Find on terms. Responders action from engaged to empathy. Thread of black line. Run through endless emotion. Words to tell. Read, engage, and enjoy. You're gonna be well.